Hi everyone, John Ossipinsky. Today I'm going to show you how to open up the lymphatic system in a very easy way. The major lymph vessels are right here. The thoracic duct goes into the subclavian vein, and the right lymphatic duct on the opposite side, the right lymphatic duct goes onto the right side. So one vessel on either side of your neck that must accept the fluid from thousands of lymph vessels. And if you can imagine, we all get tight in our shoulders, right? Most people are stretching their neck, have tightness across their shoulders. That's because these can become congested, these lymph vessels, and then acid waste just builds across your shoulders, up your neck. So an easy way to help that is to open up your lymphatic vessels right here under your clavicles. So I want you to just cross your hands. And again, please check with your healthcare practitioner before doing this in case you have any healthcare problems. But it's very gentle. You're going to cross your hands if you can. If you can't, you can leave them just separated, but it's much more comfortable crossing your hands. Place your fingertips right against your trapezius, right against it, not on top of it, right against the edge. Your fingertips should be on the edge. And do that on both sides. And very gently, your fingers about midway are resting on your clavicle bones, and just pump. Just gently pump down and release. Pump down and release. You'll see in this area, some people have an indentation, which is what we want, and some people have puffiness in this area. And that means they're congested, meaning their lymphatic system is not working optimally. So we just do this about 5 to 10 times, just fingers against the trapezius, and just pump. Aim towards your heart under the clavicle and then release. Pump down. Make sure you release on the way back. Pump down, release, pump down and release. Already I've got tingling in the back of my neck. I took a deep breath because when we open up the lymphatic system, we open the brain, we open the body, which includes the lungs, and you just feel different. I just did that about 5 times. I feel different in my body. I even feel more relaxed. So imagine if you knew how to drain your lymphatic system or activate your lymphatic system in an 8-minute routine. And that's what I teach my clients here in Scottsdale, Arizona. You know, I work on them over a few weeks, but I also show them how to drain certain parts of their body. But there are a lot of people who can't come to Arizona and see me, and you need to know how to activate the lymphatic system if you want to have health, if you want to have your brain as you age. It really is important. Our lymphatic system maintains every system in the body. So if you're thinking of, again, trying to open up your lymphatic system, there's a very easy way. Just put your fingertips against your trapezius and just pump gently towards your heart, aim under the clavicle, and release your hands. Start again, pump and release. And you can do that 5 to 10 times. I wouldn't do it, I would do it once and then wait a day and then do it again if you'd like, but it's something that you can do often. But again, I've developed a whole routine, an 8-minute routine that will change your life. If you'd like to hear more about it, go to healthylymphsystem.com. That's healthylymphsystem.com. I'll answer any of your questions. It's very important to understand the lymphatic system, the body's sewage treatment system, if you want to have health. Have a great day.